the pigment I use in my painting, they are not just acrylic paints like synthetic out of the tube. I use crystals to grind them down to make my earth pigment. That's how traditional Tibetan, those Tibetan painting in Buddhism traditions, that's how the pigments are created. So even the painting are natural pigments. They are not oil, just synthetic oil or synthetic acrylic paint. And then when I create the crystal grid, I put the crystals on top of them. I make sure they're activated. I want to make sure they're activated. And some clients, when they create a custom crystal grid painting with me, I have a salad line plate behind the crystal grid to make sure that it's constantly charged. It's not like, once I activate it, it's not charged at all.